Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through one of Typedream's newest features, locks. Locks, as the name suggests, allows you to create private pages and gate content from those who aren't intended to have access. There are two different methods you can use to protect pages using locks. The first is a password, a combination of letters, numbers, and characters. The second is a token. We support ERC20, ERC1155, and ERC721 tokens. To create a password lock, what you're going to do is go to Site Settings and look for Locks under Experimental. Then, you want to hit Add a Lock. Specify a name for the lock and select Password for the lock type, and then type in the password. Let's set the password as Open Sesame. Click Add Lock. Creating a token lock is similar. You'll repeat the process of clicking Add a Lock and giving it a name. Instead of choosing password as the lock type, however, you would choose ERC721, ERC20, or ERC1155. I'm going to choose ERC20 as the type and Polygon Mumbai here as the contract's network. Then, I'll paste the contract address and finally set the minimum amount users need to own in order to be let through. Since I have 0.2 Matic here, I'll set the bar to be 0.1 Matic so that I can unlock the lock. Once you have your lock created, what we need to do next is to select which pages we want to apply the lock to. In the same settings page under your locked pages, click Add Another Page. You'll see this menu pop up where you get to choose which lock to use on which page. Now that the locks are set up, let's see the protected pages in action. For the password protected page, we simply type in our password here from before, which is Open Sesame. Cool, so that's working. Let's try the token lock now. It's going to ask us to connect wallet if you haven't already, like so. And you can choose from popular wallets like MetaMask, Rainbow, and so on. Once the wallet is connected, we're going to have to sign in and approve the signature request. Because my balance is 0.2 Matic, and that's greater than the minimum of 0.1 Matic, I pass. You can use locks for various scenarios. For example, you might want to provide an online course, an ebook, or a white paper for specific people only. Or you might want to share an internal document with just your team. I hope that this tutorial has been useful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more website building tips. I'll see you next time.